Okay guys, after seeing that a lot of you would like to join me on this journey, I thought and thought and thought, and I went to Etsy for looking for the kind of projects that sells and some people want. And obviously you can say you want a specific product in the comment section below, but I came up with an idea of making an aesthetic lamp, which is the image that you see in front of you right now. So to make this lamp that is not out there yet, the only way is to start with a pencil and a pen. First, what do we want? Okay, we put down all of the things that we need. And I noticed that we have a shortage in DC lamps. All over Etsy, all of them are AC. So what I want is a light for the lamp, which is DC, which is an LED in this scenario. And then I'll need a battery to operate it, a power source, a power or a battery holder, and then some wires and a switch to turn it on and off. So I went and I bought all of these, and I also got a vernier clipper which will help me measure the dimensions that I need to add onto Fusion 360. I'll be using Fusion 360 to design the model. I measured the bulb or the LED, and as you notice, the LED has a side that is short or small on the shorter than the diameter of it. So what we're gonna do is measure that also, which we're adding it in the product. I will measure the height, the width, and the length of the battery holder. I'll be getting some wires that you can see at the top of the screen. Finally, I got the switch which I get the diameter of the hole that it will be in. With that said, next video I'll be doing the modeling and solving some of the problems that we will be facing when we design this product.